Well, hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today it's an interesting video on what to do when you find out that your mobile is not fast charging. Well, there are many kinds of fast charging in different makes and models of mobile phones. But for now, as I'm using OnePlus phone, I'll tell you this is something called dash charging that OnePlus is using. I'm using OnePlus 7 here. So sometimes it may happen that your charging is not fast enough to be qualified as dash charge, or it may charge too slow, which is not the way OnePlus dash charge works. If you find that it's taking more than 2 hours or 3 hours to fully charge your battery once in a while, then it could be for this kind of reasons, which I'm going to say it in this video. So as you can see, this is the phone. There are like three components to this phone. One is this original OnePlus adapter, and which is already connected to this extension board electrical supply. This is the USB cable, as you can see. So I'm just saying you the first aid kind of thing, or with the preliminary thing that you should check. Well, these are two ends of this cable. One is USB one is C type. So you should first check that these two cables are clean enough to charge your mobile. Sometimes what happens, dust accumulates here and it clogs this ports, that is USB as well as C type port, for which it doesn't properly connect to these places. The chips that we have at both this end, it doesn't perfectly butts or connects with the counterpart devices or counterpart electronic chips. So therefore this kind of failure of fast charging may happen. So you should blow air like I do here in both the holes, and here as well in the phone as well as here. Well, make sure you don't do it while it is on. There may be some kind of accident in that case. So try to blow air and clean these ports if you find some fault, and then place this charger here, and you can see it will start fast charging. If it doesn't happen, then try to change the socket also, because sometimes it may happen that it is not properly or connected in a fitting way. It may be loose, or it may be not properly going inside this holes of electrical plug that we see. So you can change the sockets also to ensure that it fits, this 2-pin fits properly into this socket. Or if possible, you can switch on and switch off your phone if it's some kind of software glitch. If you think, then you can switch off or restart your phone in that case, and check whether your fast charging is working. And if nothing works, then of course you should contact your phone repair shop or your phone official maintenance person. If he can find out something or find out some hardware problem that could be inside this phone, he can repair it. So friends, I hope this was just a kind of first aid kind of technique if you find that suddenly your phone is not charging fast. So if the problem persists, as I have said, you should go in fact to the authorized repair or maintenance person of your make and model. So friends, that's it. I hope you found this video useful. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this across various platforms so that many people come to know of this simple technique, what to do when you suddenly find that your phone is not fast charging. And please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching infotainment videos. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.